Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline. Today we have another Model Y that we just finished doing some very unique customizations to, and it's actually a world's first. Let's start off with the exterior. So this was a long-range Model Y. It came with the 19-inch wheels, the standard wheels from Tesla. The customer did not like that, and I have to agree. It's all about a larger size wheel on a nice mid-size SUV, and the Model Y looks best, in my opinion, with our 21-inch wheels. And these are one of our newest styles. They're called TSF. TSF stands for T-sportline Falcon. And as you can see, this really nice little detailed design here, we did this because we were inspired by what SpaceX is doing, right? With sending up all the rockets, etc., Project Falcon. So we gave our own little SpaceX touch to these very cool sporty wheels. Gloss black uses the original tires that Tesla actually recommends when you get a performance Model Y. So if you have a performance car and you want to change the wheels, these will bolt right on using all the hardware, perfect fit. If you have a Model Y with 19-inch or 20-inch wheels, well then you'll need a wheel and tire package, and we specialize in that as well. So this is about what we did on the exterior. Now let's move on to the interior, and let me show you something that we've never done before. Come check it out. So this Model Y came with the standard black interior. It's a vegan material. It's basically a vinyl. It's a non-leather product, and the customer wanted something completely different. And he chose from our seat upgrade kit this beautiful cognac color. It is also finished in a vegan material, so that made the customer very happy. We do offer it in leather as well, but he went the vegan route, and you know what? That's great, because this is a huge improvement for the interior. Instead of just like the plain black like every other Model Y basically has, he's got this really nice cognac color. As you can see, we reupholstered the front seats, the rear seats, the armrest on the rear seat. And what I like the most about this color is that it actually complements very nicely with the open pore interior wood decor trim that's on the dash and on the door panels. So it really kind of like brings it all together. Before, when it was just plain black, I felt like the wood just was standing out too much. It was just like, everything's black and here's wood. Now it really kind of works nicely. I'd love to hear some thoughts from you guys below. First of all, what do you guys think about this new cognac interior that we've never done before? This is a world's first. And also, you know, how do you think it complements with the wood decor? And what color would you choose, right? If you had a Model Y, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite color? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. So many more amazing videos coming your way soon.